Welcome to the day 2 vlog of Ooty trip, guys. So it's 9:51 right now. We have planned sunrise to visit morning sunrise today at 5:30 in the morning. But you see, nobody woke up early in the morning because we are all tired. And this is the view from our hotel. Checking out the room. And day 2 is also gonna be very crazy of a trip, adventurous trip. Lot of places we have planned. Now we are going to eat the breakfast. And once the trip starts, you'll know how crazy it is. Let's get going. It's very cold, guys. I'm shivering right now. Adayar Anand Bhavan is very crowded, guys. It is from the same place as the native place of my friend Kishore. We cannot do anything as it is very crowded. We are here at Kailash Parbhat, which is nearby to A to B. What the food we have ordered? Pav bhaji.
I want to know the right way to eat.
How is it, bro? Excellent, huh? Chole bhature, guys. Chole is given in a, what do we say this? Container. Small container.
50 from rupees 50 to 1 lakh.
We have just now completed our breakfast, guys. The breakfast in Kailash Parbhat is amazing. And my friend had one of the best coffees he had till now in there. It's a little expensive. I'll post the bill for your reference. You can check. And now where are we going, bro?
Pykaara Lake.
So Pykaara Lake and waterfalls are what gonna come. Let's go. This is the way to Pykaara Lake, guys. So it's what, 22 kilometers from the restaurant that we have just taken breakfast from. Woohoo! Traffic. Crazy locations, guys. Bro, I think we should record a video here. We have stopped at a location on the way to Pykaara Lake, guys. This is the boathouse parking, guys. Whoever wants to take Pykaara boathouse have to be taking the ticket, take the boathouse from here. We are right now going to the lake. Reserved forest area. Yes. Photo shooting.
No, this is a famous spot where they shoot Tamil songs.
Where they?
Shoot Tamil songs. Old movie Tamil songs.
Oh.
There above.
Yeah. Zoom. Wow. Do not disturb wild animal, guys, when you are coming this road. It's what written over there on board. It's a reserved forest area. Amazing roads. And you would enjoy it if you come on bike, but be careful in these roads. Need some experience and alertness while you are driving. Wildlife crossing corridor. What the hell, guys? What are you doing? Driving school, guys? This is the dam. Pykaara Dam, huh? Nice. Nadavattam Town Panchayat. Now we are going to the Pykaara Waterfalls, just 11 more minutes. That is the entrance, guys. Right after the entrance is where you take the tickets. 40 rupees per child and 40 rupees per adult and 30 rupees per children. And this is where we go down to see the waterfalls. Adanda Falls. Pykaara Waterfalls is finished, guys. So now we are heading over to Pykaara Lake. The waterfalls are good. This is Picnic Lake, guys. This is also a good location to visit. We are walking in fog, guys. Okay, start action, bro.
Video.
Oh yeah, this is video going on.
What should I do?
Nothing, bro. So it's 2:38 in the afternoon in Picnic Lake. So you can see buffaloes are also having a picnic over here. There as well, chilling, eating their food, sleeping as well. So we are also enjoying the view like them, chilling, just ate. So guys, 1 liter water bottles are not available throughout the Ooty. So only 5 liter water bottles are available. Keep that in mind and buy whenever you want to buy water. Wow! Naduvattam! Amazing! Crazy, bro! Look at that! Wow! Guys, this is a landslide zone. Have to drive carefully. Got it, guys? Hey! Bro, slow down, bro. Oh my god. What the hell? I'm getting scared over here, guys. Literally. Doing some work. Dangerous, adventurous, amazing roads all at once. What an amazing view, guys! What an amazing view! Ah. Oh. This is the Needle Rook. What is it?
Rock.
Rock viewpoint, guys. You have to take a ticket. And you can see that is where we have to trek on top of the mountain. And I will show you the viewpoint once we get there. Okay, started our journey to the top of the viewpoint, guys. Finally, after a 10 minutes walk, we have reached the peak, guys. Amazing Needle Rock viewpoint. This is the view from top of the cliff, guys. Tiger Reserve, guys. So guys, we may find some tiger or some wild animals in the forest over here, which may or may not be on camera. So guys, as you can see, there are deers over here. Yeah, you can find here very clearly more deers. See guys, it's written that we should not park the vehicle or get down from the vehicle as it is dangerous and you could encounter wild animal and attacks on you. Be careful while you are driving on roads like this. So there guys, we have found elephants. This is a wild elephant, guys, roaming in the forest. There are many elephants in this particular area. We have seen 3 which are roaming freely and 2 more which are put near a house and are being taken care of. Why there is stopping of vehicles over here? It's very dangerous, guys. Huh? Forest Range Office. Is it a wild dog, guys? Wow! Yeah. See that, guys? Monkey is stealing bananas. Don't feed animals. What happened over there? Range office, another forest range office. All the police officers are throughout the road, ensuring that nothing goes wrong on road. Ashram go to 6 kilometers. Elephant camper. Oh, vehicle safari booking. This is way to the elephant camp, guys. This is a forest checkpoint, guys. Plastic free zone. Ooty 29, Singara 6, Mayar 10. So we are about to reach our hotel that we booked for today. So this is Masinagudi, guys. Main road, Masinagudi, the nail gears. So this is where the location to our room is according to the map. But we cannot find nothing over here. We can find no room, no nothing. Now we have to search where the hell is. Due to keeping helmet for long time, long hours, hair is getting like shit, guys. Hi, Doggesh Bhai greeted us. So this is the entry gate to our hotel, and the hotel name. Hey, shh. The hell, bro? Dogs entered into the compound. The hotel name is By the River. Okay, it's looking good enough. Not bad. We have to look how the interior is, guys. But this is peaceful over here. Now this is what we call a great room. Mattress provided right even before we enter the room. Clean, neatly furnished. So this is washroom, have geyser, amazing, spacious shower, cupboards. Finally, after traveling through forest, reserved forest, spotted few deers, monkeys, peacocks, elephants, wild dogs, we have finally found our room by the river. I mean, where is the river, bro? I mean, the name of the room is By the River, but we cannot spot any rivers nearby. But the room is great, amazing space outside, peaceful, great. It's 5:50. That is the deer I found, guys, and this is our room. Very peaceful. And look at the view. This is a town called Masinagudi. See, we can find many deers over here. Deers. 2 more deers. And also cows are also here. It's watching me, I think. So here we are, guys, going for a food hunt for the dinner. Can't find any good restaurants in online, so searching for good restaurants if we can find somewhere. Let's see what we can find. 7 o'clock. It's don't know what happened in the front. All the vehicles are stopped over here. We are here at a restaurant, Safari Garden restaurant, a veg and non-veg. Finally, we bought ourselves the dinner, guys. So this is some Sprite paper plates we bought from a separate supermarket. This is a 5-liter bottle which we have spoke about earlier. This bag separately 10 rupees because plastic is not allowed.
That we bought in a separate shop.
Separate shop, huh? Supermarket only, right? Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry. The shop beside supermarket. Now this is the dinner that we bought. Huh? Say something in Tamil, bro. Something in Tamil. What is that? Should I keep this in vlog, bro? No. Fine? No? I am keeping this in vlog, bro. So guys, today in this room, I got a mattress, a pillow, a bed sheet to cover the mattress, and a good thick rug to keep me away from the chilling temperature over here. In the room that we have taken yesterday in Ooty, I got in that room because of the cold. No bed sheets, no pillow. The mattress is smelling, and it's a hell of a room. No fan also. That's what we realized today. There is no fan in that room. It's just a box. Now we are having an AC. A fan, amazing temperature. Outside, a lot of space, free space for us to sit and chit chat, eat. By the river, the hotel name. Do check it out whenever you come. So see guys, eating dinner peacefully in middle of forest. Not good, huh? Decent dinner. That is the thing. But at least we got this at this time, huh? Like this location. That is good. It's very cool, huh? Air. Cool. I think my food would have cooled down by now. Today we are gonna eat dinner, sleep, take some rest, and then start our journey tomorrow to Coimbatore. And on the way there are a few places to visit. And let's meet you in day 3 of the book. Bye bye. Good night.